So it starts from the top. Very lightly give a little gray color here. Now whatever trees you have done, just erase them. We have to create the reflection of the car which is falling on the water body. Okay. So you have to draw the car data. Okay, like this reverse you have to draw. Of course, not everything, just the top part like this. You don't have to be very precise and show everything precisely. It is after all a reflection on in the water. We'll take start off with 0.8 and now we will do all the outlining bit. Whenever you're doing finer lines, you can go for 0.5 or 0.3. This side will be more darker because it is the opposite side, this side. Okay, we can only show the depth of colors, then only we will be able to create the angles. Okay, of course with the lines also, how we are drawing them. But when we are making one side slightly darker than the other, that shows that light is falling less there, and that is the other side of the two faces we can show them. Now here, just give lines like this on the gray part, okay? Don't do anything on the white part. Just on the gray part, you give few lines like this. This part really needs to become black, so you can just use a Sharpie or any black sketch pen or whatever you have and make this tire part look really dark and black. And do a little scumbling here for the bushes. can create the plants with the help of scumbling. Okay, you can scumble lightly like this section is going to be darker, so I have used 0.8 here, and thereafter I'll go with 0.5 wherever I need it lighter. And all this that I'm currently doing is 0.8. Now we can switch from 0.5 to 0.8. We want to draw thicker lines now. So this is the reflection. Okay. Now when you are doing the reflection, first of all, we will just draw the lines which are required here. All throughout the car there will be lines, and in this case you don't have to be very precise, as I told you. You just have to make sure that you are demarcating the area of the car which is being reflected.